Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the taskbar color on the Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open your PC. This can say your Windows 11. And of course, if you are a Windows 10 user and you'd like to go into Windows 11, you can just go and upgrade it into your PC right now for free through your settings. Of course, the upgrade from Windows 10 to 11 will not delete any personal files, any apps, or anything from your PC. It will not change nothing. Just it will change just the Windows from 10 into 11. Of course, you can run the installation or the download on the background of your PC if you want to keep using it in the meanwhile. Of course, your PC might be a bit slower, but it's not going to be a big deal. It's not going to be a big problem, especially if you have a good PC. And of course, once the download or the installation is done, you will be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. And when you do that, you'll find your Windows 11 ready to use for you. So, as we said, so first of all, you will have even a recovery point if you want to like go back into your Windows 10 whenever you want. If you're facing some problems, which is not most likely to happen, or if you're just like Windows 10, possible, but I bet you will like Windows 11 much more if you get used into it. So as we said, is we would like to change the color of the taskbar on the Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go into your settings. For me, I'm just going to click as Windows I, which will open my settings directly. For you, you can open it however you want. And of course, once you are here, click at the personalization on the left panel. Once you are here, make sure to select the so once you're there, you can just go and click at the colors option here, which is the second one, and here where the font starts. So of course you can just, the first thing you would like to do is just scroll down and show accent color on search and task. Make sure to select it. And once you are here, you can actually now select whatever color you want to put it on your taskbar. And of course you can even have some custom colors if you have like the code of your color. We can just keep choosing from here. Once you finish, click at done and you will find your color changing here. As you can see, of course, you can, once you finish, click at X and it will be right there without saving or anything. So this was actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.